Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into a memory upgrade that promises to unleash the full potential of your workstation. The NEMIX RAM 128GB DDR5 kit. Specifically, this is a 4x32GB kit, running at a speedy 4,800 MHz, designed for demanding tasks and heavy workloads. NEMIX RAM might not be the first name that springs to mind when you think of memory, but they've carved out a niche for themselves by focusing on enterprise-grade solutions. They specialize in memory for servers and workstations, so they understand the needs of professionals who require rock-solid stability and performance. This particular kit is PC5-38400, operating at 1.1V with a CL40 latency. It's a 288-pin non-ECC unbuffered UDMM, making it compatible with a wide range of desktop PCs, including workstations like the HP Z2 G9 Tower. The big question is, why upgrade to 128GB of DDR5 RAM? Well, if you're working with massive datasets, running complex simulations, editing 8K video, or juggling multiple virtual machines, the answer is simple: you need the headroom. Insufficient RAM can lead to frustrating slowdowns, crashes, and wasted time. NEMIX RAM emphasizes that memory upgrades are one of the most cost-effective ways to boost your system's performance. And they're right. Adding more RAM can significantly reduce reliance on your storage drive for virtual memory, leading to snappier response times and smoother multitasking. Installation is generally straightforward. NEMIX RAM recommends consulting your owner's manual for specific instructions, but typically, it involves simply opening your PC case, locating the RAM slots, and carefully inserting the modules. The kit is designed for non-ECC, unbuffered PC motherboards. NEMIX RAM stands behind their products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which is a testament to their confidence in the quality and reliability of their memory. They also offer IT support, which can be helpful if you encounter any issues during installation or operation. So, who is this NEMIX RAM kit for? It's ideal for professionals and power users who demand the best possible performance from their workstations. If you're tired of waiting for your computer to catch up with your workflow, this could be the upgrade you've been waiting for. It's a substantial investment, but the potential gains in productivity and efficiency could make it well worth the cost.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.